Hello traders, this is Grace FX here, and today we are going to be talking about three patterns or shapes that shows the change of the market and the change of the trend, and that are really profitable to trade. So in this graph we are going to be talking about the W shape or double bottom shape. So the double bottom shape indicates the beginning of an uptrend and the end of a downtrend. So let me put in some drawing tools here to indicate. So here we are seeing a downtrend. Let me see if I can make it a little bit visible. So here we are seeing a downtrend, and then from downtrend we are seeing a double bottom, then we are seeing an uptrend that has started. So the double bottom has indicated the end of a downtrend. It has also indicated the beginning of a new trend. So when you see a double bottom, be ready for a new uptrend. So how then do you trade a double bottom? When you trade a double bottom accurately, wait for it to break this line. We call it the neckline. Right here, when it breaks this line called the neckline, that's when you can enter a buy trade, because you are sure that it's forming a double bottom. Then you can go and buy. So the shape is called W or double bottom. When you see this, you buy. When it breaks this, it shows a strong buy. So whenever you are trading maybe breakouts, suppose you're trading breakouts, breakout and confirmation strategies, suppose you're trading that, you'll be drawing your trend line. I'm just using a tool here, so do pardon with us. You draw a trend line, you wait for it to break, form a double bottom. Then when you have a confirmation of a double bottom, and then you can buy. So that's one of the strongest signal of a new trend that is about to begin if you are trading trends, right? So the next one we have, it's an M pattern. Let me go for it. The next one we are having, it's an M pattern. When we talk about an M pattern, we are also talking about the beginning of a downtrend, the ending of an uptrend. It's not mostly a trend, but it's an example, right? So when you trade this will be the same way you are trading a W, because this one, it's all about the beginning of an uptrend. So whenever you see an M, that will be the beginning of a downtrend. We wait for it to cross this line, this support line or neckline, then you start selling. Then you make your profit. So this is very, very simple. It's not something that is very, very difficult. All you have to do is to look for M's and W's. Once you see M's and W's, then voila, you look for the beginning of a new trend. Now the other pattern that shows the beginning of a new trend, it's head and shoulder and inverted head and shoulder. So whenever you're going to see a new trend starting, an uptrend ending, and a new trend starting, you are more likely to see head and shoulders. It will come down, then form a head and shoulder, then go down. So it will come up, then form a head. Let me just make this proper. So it will be like more of an upwards direction, form a head and a shoulder, and boom. You understand? So head and shoulder, it must have two shoulders, one shoulder here, the other shoulder here, with a head. Then when it breaks the neckline, you sell. If you don't understand, you can repeat this video. It's a very clear and direct thing. So also on a downtrend, you're going to see something of this shape. You understand? then a new uptrend starts. So whenever you are seeing an inverted head and shoulder on your graph, also do look for a buy. Whenever you are seeing a head and shoulder, do look for a sell. Wait for it to break the neckline or the support line. When it's broken this line, it gives you a clear signal that you should sell. Let me just remove this. Let me use a thicker. When it has broken this zone, you are sure for a clear sell that will actually make you a lot of money. So all you have to do is to look for these three shapes on your market. Be patient enough to look for these three shapes. The M, let me choose that. The M, that signifies a downtrend. The W, that signifies an uptrend. And head and shoulder, that signifies the beginning of a downtrend. It couldn't be more easier. So whenever you are trading, confirm the trend with these three shapes, then you know you have an uptrend or a downtrend. All right, so that's it from Grace FX today. We are going to be discussing more and more price action strategies from now on. I hope you subscribe. Do subscribe actually, and hit the notification bell so that you can get our next video, so you can be a profitable Forex trader. See you on the next video.